Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get web browser on a ROKU device and whether or not it is possible thing to do. So as per the ROKU community, there is no web browser app for ROKU devices, but you can most certainly use a ROKU TV as a computer monitor, assuming your computer has an HDMI output. There is a 43 inches 4K ROKU TV just to my left right now. That is my secondary monitor for my work laptop. It is connected to my docking station, but most laptops nowadays have HDMI outputs, as do a lot of desktop computers. In fact, the majority of the computers monitors in my home are actually TVs. So basically you cannot actually have access to the web browsers in your Roku devices, but what you can do is you can simply use the screen mirror technique in your Android devices and even in your computer to work it with it. So in order to do it, if you want to use your Android device in order to mirror screen, you just have to follow these steps. First of all, on your Android device, you need to pull down the status bar and tap on Smart View. You can need to swipe to find the option. Then select your Roku device from the Smart View menu to start the connection. After that, you need to follow the instructions on your Roku device to allow the screen mirroring. You can even follow the steps that are shown in this image. If you want to screen mirror from the Windows computer, then from the taskbar on your Windows device, you just have to open the Action Center, then select the Connect button. Now select the Roku device from your list of the wireless display and audio devices to start the connection. Now you need to follow further on-screen instructions on your Roku device to allow the screen mirroring. Now once the screen mirroring is enabled, you can use either your computer or your Android device in order to access the web browser in your Roku TV. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.